In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos Trello. By the end, you'll know how to attach a video to a card, preview it, download it, edit its details, add a quick comment about it, and remove it when you're done. Start by opening your browser and going to Trello.com. Once you're on the home screen and signed in, look for the Boards option in the top navigation. Click that to open your list of boards. Choose the board where you want to work. In this example, I'll open a board called Tasks to Do. Next, find the specific card you want to attach your video to. Here, that's a card labeled Wash the Car. Click the card to open its details. Inside the card, you'll see options along the side and within the activity area. Click Attachment to start adding your video. A panel will appear with sources. Choose the option to upload from your computer, then click Choose a file. Select your video file from your device. MP4 is a great, widely supported format, and your upload will generally process more smoothly if the file isn't too large, so keep an eye on your plan's size limits. After you select the file, you'll see an uploading file message. Wait for the upload to finish before navigating away from the card. If you have more than one video to add to the same card, click Add and repeat the process to select additional files. This is handy for progress clips or separate takes you want to keep together. Once your video appears in the attachments list, click the video file entry. Typically, you'll see the file type indicated as MP4. That opens the attachment details so you can work with the file directly. From the attachment details, click Open in New tab. This loads the video in a clean view so you can test playback and confirm everything looks right. If you want a local copy for reference or sharing outside Trello, click Download in that new tab and save it to your computer. When you're done reviewing, go back to the Trello card. If you've decided you no longer need that uploaded copy, click Delete on the attachment to remove it from the card's list. Then click the small X to close any preview window and return to the main attachment area of the card. You can also adjust the attachment's display details. Click the three-dotted button on the attachment to open its menu, then click Edit. Here you can update the name shown on the card to something clearer and more searchable. This is especially useful when you have multiple clips. After making your change, click Update to save it. If you want to reference the video in the card's conversation, open the same three-dotted menu again and click Comment. Trello inserts a link to the attachment in your comment field so you can add quick context like what changed, what to review, or who needs to approve it. When your note is ready, click Save to post the comment to the card's activity. When it's time to clean up, open the three-dotted menu once more and click Remove to take the attachment off the card. Confirm by clicking Remove again. Keep in mind, removing an uploaded file deletes it from the card, while removing a linked file simply unlinks it. The original file in its source location isn't affected. Finally, click the X in the top corner to close the card and return to your board. That's the full flow. Open your board and card, attach your video, preview it, download if needed, edit the attachment name for clarity, add a comment to capture context, and remove it when it's no longer needed. Follow these steps and you'll keep your Trello cards tidy, your media easy to find, and your project communication crystal clear.